Hey everyone, how's it going? Let's do an unboxing, shall we? Let's see, Nurxiovo stand mixer. I think that's how you say it. The other one that was sent was damaged in shipping or something. But the sellers, they have been awesome about it. And so they shipped me a new one. Pardon the dog. Not my dog. Yeah, the other looked like it had like a forklift that hit it. And it damaged the meat tray and scraped the mixer itself. Ooh. So far, this is looking great. Scan me if you have any questions. And this is your instruction manual. A pretty thick instruction manual for a mixer. And this is if you have any questions, scan it. Okay. The big reveal. Somehow. I don't want to just drop out. I've got to put that chime outside. But every time I do, the wind catches it and tears it apart, so I don't know. Okay. This is the cap that goes on to your mixing bowl. To keep you from getting all messed up and dirty. And this contains your hardware for your meats. And it's also your plunger. Here's the blender part. Yes, yes it is. And there's the meat grinder part. That's pretty nice. Set that down there. Oh, isn't this pretty? And this is the meat tray. It's a pretty meat tray. The other meat tray was bent in half. I mean, it must have been a hard hit from a forklift, what it looked like, because it went into the side of the box. It went all the way through, and it scraped the mixer and bent the meat tray. And the sellers have been wonderful about it. Literally. Okay. And there's your beater and your whisk and your dough hook. And your mixing bowl. Why don't we do this while we're at it? It won't go with the with this raise. Let's see if it makes noise. Sounds good to me. Okay, and right here. Oops. That's where you put the, where'd it go? Here it is. There we go. Okay, and then you got this portion that goes up here, and this is what you push the meat down in with. So that works good. And Nurxiovo, I think's how you say it. This sits up there. Let's see. Here we go. Yep, that works. And you can remove this. Put the covers back on. Get this beautiful meat tray off. Set everything out of the way. Okay. And this is going to fit on there like that. And it is a good weight. I can tell you that this has 850 horsepower. Or horsepower, 850 watts. And let's go over here with my other mixer. This is my old retro mixer. Okay. Just so it'll be fair, we're going to weigh just to be fair, we're going to weigh this in my arms. This is how I did the other mixer there. Okay. 224.6. You can see the difference. Much sturdier. So 224.6. $2.15. So Okay, my old stand mixer weighed 5.2 and this one weighs 9.6. But this one's got more power and everything, so. But I'm going to keep my old stand mixer. Yes, indeed, because I like it. And I will be using it, my old one, to beat eggs and stuff like that. This one I'm really impressed with it already, I can tell you that. Just because it's a lot more sturdy than the other mixer and it's got more power. The other mixer had 9 selections, the other one, whereas this one's only got 6, but this one's more powerful and it's got more torque, so I think I did a good job in choosing this. And like I say, the sellers were outstanding. I mean, they were perfect. I'll put a link down in there, down in the bottom for you. And I guess tomorrow we're going to test it out and see how good it is. It's pretty. So we'll test it out tomorrow and see how good it is at making my favorite bread, which I'll use. We'll see how dirty I get and messed up with the flour. So anyway, I'll put a link down at the bottom and I'll get this posted. And like I say, this is a sturdy machine. And it's got suction cups on the bottom. My other mixer didn't have anything to keep it sturdy or anything. So I think this is outstanding. Anyway, I hope this helps you out, and we'll see you next time when I use it. And if y'all living in a warm place, go swimming. If you can't find a warm place to go swimming, find a cold place, go swimming. If you can't find a cold place to go swimming, snuggle up with someone. Okay, y'all stay safe and talk to you soon. Bye.